Hey, what's up mga loves? Welcome back to my channel and it's me again, Jacy. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button if you want to get notified every time I post a video. And it's been a long time since nag-upload ako ng videos. And for today's video, wala akong maisip na content. And may dumating sa akin na package ngayon. And I ordered this almost a month. And ngayon lang siya dumating. And so today, isi-share ko sa inyo kung anong laman ng package na to. So, ang in-order ko ay itong Shantal Rejuvenating Set, and there are a lot of people using this product, and today bubuksan natin ito. Okay, so here, so ito yung lalagyan ng Shantal nila, and okay naman. Okay, tingnan natin ito. So ito yung box ng Shantal Rejuvenating, and maganda naman. Okay yung package nila, sulit talaga. And actually, this is my favorite color. Okay, so let's see what's inside of the box. Okay. So first product, meron silang Shantal Sunblock Cream with SPF 30. So here, kita nyo ba? Okay, so ito yung first item ng product nila. And so ito yung ginagamit pag lalabas ka. Okay, so let's have the second product. It's Shantal Night Cream. So, obviously, ito yung ginagamit sa gabi bago matulog. Ayan. And, okay. And next, itong Shantal Rejuvenating Toner. Meron din silang toner. Here. Kita ba? Ay, silaw man. Okay, so here. So, ito yung toner nila. So, after cleansing, so ito yung ginagamit. Toner. And then, lastly, ito yung Kojic. Kita ba? Okay. So, it's Shantal Kojic Acid Soap. This is not only for the face, but it can also apply to our body. So, first time kong gumamit nito, and let's try. Okay, so, in-order ko siya actually through online, and kung mag-o-order kayo ng ganitong product, make sure na legit and original. So, yun. So, ito lang yung laman na Shantal Rejuvenating Set. End of my video, mga loves. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!